Players for court A3. Court A3, please proceed. Rohaida Osman, Riyadha Arayuddin Osman versus Teresa Remigio and Odessa Madera. Court A3, please proceed. Players for court A5. A5, please proceed to the court now. Hana Noronio and Lupic Ramos versus Don and Kacham Sini Yung Bapti. Please proceed to court A5. A5.
Stand by next players for court 8-10. Joy Hugo and Vanessa Gonzalez versus Januan Taylor and Anchara Echai. Stand by court 8-10.
line there.
Players for court 8 then, please proceed to your court. Joy Atutubo and Eliza Gonzalez versus Gen 1 Taylor and Chara Dichay. Please proceed to your court.
Prices running great with BCA. Take a pause and save on the premium coffee made from 100% real coffee beans. Live lighter with Coca sparkling water, zero sugar, calories, and fat. Ayala and Single. Inquire by condos and cosmopolitan city stations and discover the Ayala difference. Visit Ayala and Singapore office as we offer Lucky Plaza. LBC Express Singapore. In LBC, you not just full boxes, premium files. Available all year round promo. Pack and send on sale.
Stand by on court A8. Stand by on court A8. Nick and Chikon and Sujan Mahmood versus Sean Au and Dinesh Masiba. Stand by on court A8 for the next match.
Stand by court A9, Victory, and Ben Coco Sanchez and Madeline and Sharon. Stand by court A9. Stand by court A4, Jeffrey Amni Chan and RJ Katomay versus Ian Perez and Sunay Chesel.
Stand by na. Ano yung RJ? Ayun guys, ito yung RJ.
Players for court A3, Ruhaida Osmani versus Andre Junior Akayo, Intek Osman versus Teresa Remigio and Vanessa Madera. Please proceed to court A3 now. Court A8 is Ali versus Sean Au Antones Siva. Proceed to court A8.
Good luck, bro.
Next players for court A4, Jeffrey Alvin Chang and RJ Katongan versus Ian Perez and Anthony Chester. Please proceed to court A4. Players for court A1, Rizal and Era Monasterio and versus Berlin Kawayan and LB. Court A1, Rizal and Era Monasterio and Berlin Kawayan LB. Court A1. Court A2. Yani and Mira Razak versus Jane Nguyen and Ho Tiki. Court A2. Yani and Mira Razak
kayo?
versus Jane Nguyen and Ho Tiki.
Wala, siyempre, magkikita